Making a vacuum hose for HO scale rolling stock, especially the Lima and some of the other resin kits that did not come with them. I know the DJH and most brass and higher class kits come with a plastic molded or resin molded vacuum pipe, so I'm going to show you how to make a vacuum pipe quite easily and cheaply. What you require tool wise is a side cutter and a long nose plier. Material wise that will be used is wire wound guitar string. This is normally your bass or the string just above the bass string. You need to cut a piece of the guitar string, probably about 3 to 4 centimeters long. Let me just measure and see there, it's about 4 centimeters using the side cutter. And then what you do is you measure plus minus 5 millimeters from the one end, and on the opposite end you take the side cutter, pull the wire wound down a little bit. With practice it becomes easier until it looks like that, and then you grab hold of it with the long nose pliers and unwind it. I will not bore you with unwinding it the whole time, so I'll stop the video and show when I've unwound until there's only 5 millimeters of the windings left. When you have reached this point, you simply cut the piece of wire as close to the steel string as you can, and then you will use the long nose pliers to bend that piece into a half moon shape. Like that. And then again, using the long nose pliers, grab hold of that piece at the end where the windings have stopped, and you will bend it at more than 90 degrees so that the steel arm goes down straight, and you will have that, which you can see is already starting to resemble the vacuum pipe. And then one more bend about at the bottom, bend this piece up 90 degrees, and if the pliers wasn't magnetized, there you have it. Now it just needs a bit of paint and it can be glued to your rolling stock representing a vacuum hose. Paint it black or dark brown and glue it in if you use KD couplers next to the KD coupler box, and it looks quite realistic.